Greetings, my name is Dennis Daniels, and this is a tutorial on worksheets and how teachers can quickly create them. Why teachers? Because worksheets are forms. Forms are database interfaces, and teachers essentially are data analysts. You get homework, you get feedback from your students, you analyze it, and then you provide instruction in terms of how to improve upon your students' work in terms of their data analysis, their synthesis of information. Unfortunately, most teachers spend a lot of time pushing paper around. Teachers, stop pushing paper and push your community to get computers into your classrooms. Become data analysts. Stop being secretaries. I'm going to show you a quick tool that will allow you to do that. I use Jotform as a prototyper. It's not the end-all of tools, but it's pretty good. And I'll show you a quick tutorial here on how to create a worksheet that could be used, say, for your international relations course. So let's take a look at that. First thing we need to do is identify the goals. This is Gantt project I'm using. It's free. First we identify our goals, then we're going to create our form. Now our form is right here. Where's my form? Form is right here. This is another form that I created. Let me give it a title here. I'll call this standard or a basic vocabulary lesson sheet. Okay, and what I did is directions. I give the directions, give some words, and in the space below write a sentence combining words to words. Click on it. Words 2 and 5. See how easy it is to edit? Words 2 and 5. And let's see if I can sentence. Now, Jotform doesn't have terrifically long fields in this area, which is a bit of a problem, but it's just a matter of modifying the code. You wouldn't have to do that as a teacher, but the people who are interested in this kind of interfaces will, of course, take note because they're very good about that. Properties, let's set this to auto hide taskbar apply. Okay, click OK. Whoa, that's why, because I've got too many going over there. Alright, so now I'm going to create a new form. This is how you do it. Create a new form. Click me to edit. Now let's add a text area and click me to edit. Now here are my instructions. So this is going to be, we'll call this the partition of Africa. Partition of Africa. This is again a sample international relations form. Main ideas. Main ideas. These are some ideas. Or let's give the actually let's change this to instructions. Instructions. All of the sentences below are incorrect. Why? Okay. Why? And let's go ahead and rewrite. And we'll go ahead and add another text here. Move that up. See how easy that is to move stuff around? Well, I'll move it again here. Correct the following sentence. Okay, there it is. Now, let's move that up there. Now, let's add a text. Let's give a sentence here. Let's go ahead and drag this in. Now, ideally, Jotform or whatever database or whatever application you end up using will allow you to import your already written sentences. So let's go take a look at that. Cancel. Let's go back to my Gantt sheet. Create form. Now let's go ahead and create a new task here, and we'll say create task. Import existing text from word processor. Import existing text from file. Because many teachers will already have many teachers will already have a large, hopefully a large database of materials available to them. So create the form. Let's move this. Let's see if I can move this. Connect that. There it goes. And I want to move. There we go. Move that over. See if I can move this. I'm trying to move. There we go. Okay. No, it doesn't want me to move it. Let's try again. I'm not familiar with this particular tool. I know what it's supposed to do, but there it is. Okay, so import existing text from file. Users complete the form. So I need to disconnect this. Cancel. I'm using Gantt. This is Gantt project again. Looks like I've crashed it. So correct the following sentence. Let's go ahead and add the text. What is the text? All right. Africa is a small continent that has never known conflict. Okay. Now, let's change those instructions because we can do this in real time. Africa is a small continent that has never known conflict. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to add text area here. Text area here. There it is. We can delete that. Okay, why is the above statement false? False. I don't have enough text here. Why is the statement false? Why is the statement false? Okay, there. Now students would type the answer there. And now let's go ahead and create another text area. Drop it right underneath it. Move that up a little bit. Move that up a little bit. There it is. And please rewrite the statement. Please rewrite as a true statement. Not enough text. Jotform, almost there. Okay, so I'll save that. There it is. Save it. And let's see if my Gantt project, no, Gantt is gone. Control S. Control Alt P. Oh, it's definitely save. Okay, I'm saving that. Now I save this. So in the next tutorial, I'll show you how we could publish the document by using the publish button here. Let me drop that in. Delete that. Edit this. Click me to edit. No, this one. Submit. Publish to the wide overworked world of teachers. There it is. Now, we're almost there. So, thank you for watching. Jotform is very cool. It's free. You can take a look at the code and copy paste it into your own web interface if you already have one. There's the code for free. Very nice. I want to thank you again. Teachers, stop pushing paper and push your community into getting computers in the classroom. This is the 21st century, people. 6.5 billion people on the planet. And you are sitting in front of a computer. Are you making the most of it as a teacher? Are you making the most of it as a member of your community? Thank you for your time. Again, my name is Dennis Daniels, and happy computing.